Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So uploading PDFs and EPUB files is one of the most common ways to use NotebookLM. Whether you are studying a textbook, reviewing research papers, reading reports, or analyzing ebooks, NotebookLM can turn those files into an interactive knowledge base. So once uploaded, you can ask questions, generate summaries, create quizzes, build study guides, and much more. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to upload a PDF or EPUB to NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open NotebookLM. Okay, so start by opening NotebookLM and signing into your account if necessary. You can either create a new notebook, okay, or open an existing notebook. So each notebook can contain multiple sources, okay. Then locate the sources panel, okay. So inside your notebook, find the sources section. This is where NotebookLM stores all uploaded materials. So everything the AI generates will be based on the sources added here. So sources from the foundation of your notebook, okay. Then choose add source, okay. So click the option to add a new source. Like NotebookLM supports various source types including PDF files, EPUB files, Google Docs, Google Slides, text documents. So PDFs and EPUB are among the most commonly used formats here. Okay, so select your PDF or EPUB file, like browse your device and choose the file you want to upload. So for example, you have textbooks, research papers, reports, ebooks, manuals, study materials. So once selected, NotebookLM will begin importing the file. So larger files may take longer to process, okay? So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.